Hey y'all, what is happening? What is up? Gosh, it's been a minute. I know we have been MIA. I look like death warmed over, but I want to touch base with you guys for a second and let you know that number one, we ain't dead. Well, not quite. I about made it through last week. Lee been sick earlier in the month, trying to get caught up on some stuff, and then last week, well, you guys know, I got diabetes. I got sugar. It's type 1 diabetes, and had it since I was a little kid. And last week, it decided to try to take me apart at the seams. So after a little while in the hospital and some boo-hooing and crying, here I am. My bright, lovely self. Look over the bags under my eyes. I'll get it together here in a day or two. But we want to touch base with you because we got some big things coming up. Dirty Deeds is getting ready to have some big stuff happening. Hang on a second. Hey, Smith.
What's that?
We got big things happening, don't we?
Hopefully.
Oh, gosh. It's been all the bad luck these past about 3 weeks, ain't it?
Ever since the last truck show.
I tell you.
We had a good time at it.
We had a ball, but between health and everything else, it's been a hot disaster.
Yeah.
But I guess what, guys? I think I've talked him into something awesome.
We got a few changes we're making.
Yeah.
Just a little odd and end stuff we're doing. We're redoing our fender brackets. I want to get them new ones built.
Yeah, we got the fenders off.
And get it all
That cleaned up.
real nice.
Yeah.
Then we're trying to change out the steering wheel.
Oh, yeah, let me show them that. I got this steering wheel the other day. It's pretty steering wheel, ain't it, Lee
I think
Smith?
it is. I like it.
I thought it was nice. We gotta
It
get.
should look good in it.
I think so. Like this.
Yeah.
Yeah. See?
Oh, yeah.
But it is that. So I tell you, let's because I love telling you guys all our tragedies. It's them things that starts out something cool, and I wasn't paying attention. And of course, this is a 3-bolt hub, and that's 5-bolt.
Yeah.
And then I tried to get an adapter, and I miserably failed at
We got
that.
a 5-hole adapter. Only problem is my shaft and my steering column is bigger than it is.
Make that make sense, right?
Yeah, it says for 87 to 98.
Yeah, some crap. But I
It
think
fit mine.
it was not. It was for us, not a tilt one, because yours is tilt.
That might be the difference. I don't know. But
I don't
it did
know.
work, and we're still,
Cussing about that, but
yeah, and then we're changing out the stereo. We had a JVC in here, and a YouTuber sent us a Alpine.
yeah, he brought it up. It's a real nice
stereo,
Alpine.
and We're trying to get it hooked up. And just a little.
We got a lot to clean up too, but are we doing all this, Lee Smith?
We're going to Highway 80, no bad luck.
I've never been to Walcott,
Yeah.
and I'm very excited. And Lee's gonna let me drive, right?
Yeah, we're going to let you drive in the parking lot. No, we'll probably let you drive. We'll film it if you do.
That would be. You gonna let me drive?
I'll get her stuck in the high hole, step out and see it. You have it. How's that?
Listen, I almost died last week, Lee.
Right.
So I mean, the Lee.
It would be tragedy if something happened to you, you didn't get to
And
drive.
I never got to drive Dirty Deeds.
That'd be bad.
That would be traumatic. The only thing I want is to see this truck go to a truck show and win a beautiful trophy and to me drive it.
Yeah. One day.
and Lee to put my name on the title.
Yeah, okay, no.
Yeah, that's not going to happen. But guys,
That's what we're doing.
that's where we're at. This is a little short but sweet, but we want to throw something out there. I know it's been a minute. We don't never take this much time in between. But I'm getting back on my feet. I'm out there. I'm moving around.
We just got out of the hospital Saturday. Today's Monday, so.
So I'm trying. I'm a little slower. If I can get back to eating pretty good and doing stuff, I'll be all right. But it don't matter. We're going to get this truck together, get these fender brackets on. And guys, what do you think? Highway 80, Walcott.
I think it'd be a good show.
I think it'd be fun. I'm so excited. I registered us this morning.
It's a long trip for this truck.
It is,
We went to
that's-
Bristol and back and have done a real good job.
Yeah.
No problems, no issues.
Yeah. So now we're going to go out west.
Yeah, we'll go to
Wild West.
go west, young man.
But guys, that's gonna be it for right now. Just wanted to drop a few minutes and let you guys know where we're at. I'm gonna bring y'all in this weekend. Well, I told you on Facebook weekend before last I was gonna have you a good video, and then I almost died. So,
Correct.
but
That's why I always say no bad luck.
yeah, no bad luck. We've got our tubing, we've got some pieces, we've got a really cool gadget that we're going to try out that was sent to us. I ain't gonna let you in. I'm gonna let y'all linger on that. I'm gonna let y'all see it work though. So we're gonna see it work. You guys are gonna see it work. We'll tell you what we think about it. But we're gonna get some big things done, and we're gonna get this truck ready to go to Walcott. But we love you guys, and we'll see you here soon.